Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Duplicity backups with S3 on VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your VPS via SSH. Log in with your username and password. Update your package list to ensure you have the latest information. Use the command sudo apt update. Install Duplicity by entering sudo apt install Duplicity. Once the installation is complete, confirm it by typing Duplicity version. Next, set up your Amazon S3 bucket if you haven't done so already. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service. Create a new bucket by selecting the Create Bucket option. Give your bucket a unique name and choose a region. Configure any necessary settings according to your needs, then click on Create Bucket. With your S3 bucket ready, retrieve your AWS access keys. Go to the IAM service in the AWS Management Console. Create a new user, providing programmatic access. Attach the policy for S3 access to this user. Make note of your access key ID and secret access key. Return to your VPS terminal to set the environment variables. Type export AWS_access_key_ID equals your _access_key_ID. Type export AWS_secret_access_key equals your _secret_access_key. To set up Duplicity, define the S3 URL format. The URL will look like S3 / your bucket name / path. Create a backup directory on your VPS. Use the command mdir /backups. Now, initiate the backup process. Run the command duplicity /path /to /your /files S3 / your bucket name /path. Monitor the progress in the terminal. Once complete, confirm that your files are in the S3 bucket. To perform a restore, use the command duplicity S3 / your bucket name /path to /restore. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.